Good morning on Friday the 12th of January. Bitcoin update. We had a nice push to 49,000 yesterday on the US Open and pulling back a bit from there. What's next? Well, if I go to my Elliott wave chart, you can see this was a perfect hit of the red box I gave you in the past days. Absolutely beauty. How it touched it and immediately started to reject or to pull back. However, what could be next? Are we going to see a big flush to the downside? Because if you look at this move, like this, we do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would mean something like that is logical. But yeah, what's logical in a bull market? Such a move down is not what you gonna see, in my opinion. You could also say we had such a long leg number 3 that it's more likely that this is just the first sub leg of a 5-leg structure, and that this one will end somewhere over here, and that we do 5 legs to the upside instead of this one. I must say, when I look at this in Elliott wave perspective, then it makes me a bit uncertain what to do here. 1, 2, 3, where we always have here 5 up, and this looks like 1, 2, 3 up and rejected. Makes me a bit uncertain what exactly to do with this. The fuckery in the past days makes it quite tricky to detect Elliott wave patterns, so I'm switching to my normal chart and want to point out this pattern or this pattern where you see a move down, a spike down, and barely any continuation down. You can see here also you have a bearish flag but not coming down. Happened here also. And especially this pattern from earlier in the week is what interests me. That was over here. Flush of the low, sweep of the lows, and up again. And that's what I also updated in the group this morning. I will be looking for this move. If we come down here, reclaim this level, I'm looking for new longs. More logical in a normal market would be a bigger correction, something like this. 1, 2, 3, maybe even towards this area, 42, 43,000. But as said, if we just sweep the lows and do the same as here, so come down, sweep the lows and bounce, then I'm looking for new lows and an attack of 50,000. When I look at spot versus perps trading, this is very interesting. Check spot in white, how it is holding up here. It is strong, it is absorbing, where perps traders are selling or shorting. Nice drop in the OI. So I think we're pretty close to a nice bounce. But as said, more logical would be a bigger flush, but that's what everybody is expecting. So if I see this move, I will be looking for 50,000.